ChatGPT just dropped something huge. I'm talking about a feature that changes everything about how you shop online. No more jumping between 10 different tabs trying to find the best deal. And here's the crazy part, it's free for everyone to use right now. This is going to flip e-commerce on its head, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So OpenAI just released this new shopping feature inside ChatGPT. And honestly, when I first saw it, I couldn't believe it. This is not some small update. This is ChatGPT becoming your personal shopping assistant that can find products, compare prices, and help you make smarter buying decisions all in one conversation. Let me break down what's happening here. When you ask ChatGPT something like best TV for Bright Room, it doesn't just give you a list of links anymore. Now it shows you actual product cards right inside the chat. You get images, you get prices, you get review summaries, star ratings, all of it. And then you can click on any product and ask follow-up questions about it. You can say, tell me more about this one, or is this good for working out? And ChatGPT will give you real answers based on actual data from across the web. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now, let me show you exactly how powerful this is with some real examples. I'm going to walk you through 4 different shopping scenarios, and you're going to see how ChatGPT handles each one. These are the kinds of searches people do every single day, and you'll see why this is such a game changer. This prompt, help me find a powerful laptop. This is probably one of the most common searches people do. You need a laptop, but you don't want to spend hours reading tech specs you don't understand. You type this into ChatGPT, and it shows you 3 or 4 laptop options that are actually powerful. Each product card has a picture of the laptop, the price, where you can buy it, and a quick summary of what makes it powerful. Maybe it highlights the processor speed, the RAM, the graphics card, whatever matters. You can then click on one and ask, is this good for video editing? Or can this handle gaming? Or how's the battery life? And ChatGPT will tell you based on real data and reviews. You're not guessing anymore. You're having a conversation with someone who knows what they're talking about and can help you find exactly what you need. This takes what used to be a 2-hour research project and turns it into a 5-minute conversation. Second prompt, help me find a gift for my dad who's a fishing fanatic. This is a perfect example of when you don't know exactly what to buy, but you know the person and what they like. You type this into ChatGPT and it comes back with actual fishing gear recommendations. Maybe it shows you a high quality fishing rod, a tackle box with great reviews, some fishing lures that are popular right now, or even a nice fishing vest. Each product has a picture, the price, where to buy it, and a summary of why it's good. You can click on any of these and ask, would this be good for someone who fishes in lakes? Or is this too expensive for a casual fisherman? And ChatGPT will help you narrow it down. This is way better than going to Amazon and typing fishing gifts and getting overwhelmed by 10,000 random products. ChatGPT is actually thinking about your situation and giving you smart recommendations based on what you told it. Speaking of using ChatGPT to save time and make better decisions, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like this to automate your business and get more customers, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I'm teaching business owners how to save hundreds of hours with AI automation, just like what you saw here. The link is in the description, and you need to get in now before AI leaves you behind. So back at it. Third prompt, help me find a chair that has gray upholstery and less than $250. Now we're getting specific. You have exact requirements and a budget. You type this into ChatGPT and boom, you get product cards showing chairs that match what you asked for, gray upholstery, under $250. ChatGPT isn't showing you chairs that are $300 or chairs that are blue. It's filtering based on exactly what you need. You see 3 or 4 options, each one with pictures, prices from different retailers, and reviews telling you if the chair is comfortable, if it's easy to assemble, how durable it is. You can then ask follow-up questions like which one of these is best for a home office, or which one has the best back support, and ChatGPT will guide you to the right choice. This is the kind of targeted shopping that used to take hours of research, and now it takes 5 minutes. Fourth prompt, compare the travel strollers and find the best one for me. This is where ChatGPT really shines. You're not asking for one product, you're asking it to do research and comparison for you. ChatGPT looks at multiple travel strollers, pulls in data about weight, fold-in size, price, durability, ease of use, all of it. Then it shows you the top options with explanations of what makes each one good. Maybe one is the lightest, another is the most compact when folded, another has the best reviews from parents. You can see all of this laid out in product cards and then ask which one is easiest to use on an airplane or which one works best for a toddler, and ChatGPT will tell you based on the data it found. This is like having a personal shopping assistant who actually did hours of research for you and is breaking it down in simple terms so you can make a smart decision fast. What you're seeing here is ChatGPT handling 4 completely different types of shopping queries: a general powerful product search, a vague gift search, a specific product search with requirements, and a comparison research task. And it handles all of them really well. This is why I'm saying this update is insane. It's not just adding a feature, it's changing how people shop online. Here's why this matters so much for regular people. Shopping online right now is a mess. You search on Google, you get a bunch of sponsored results. You click on Amazon, you scroll through hundreds of products with fake reviews. You open 10 tabs comparing prices across different sites. You watch YouTube reviews, you check Reddit threads. It takes forever just to figure out what to buy. ChatGPT is compressing all of that into one conversation. You ask, it researches for you, it shows you the best options. You ask follow-up questions, and you make a decision. No more tab overload. No more wondering if you're getting ripped off. It's like having a shopping expert who actually knows what they're talking about right there helping you. When you're ready to buy something, ChatGPT gives you direct links to retailers. You click through and complete your purchase on the merchant's website. That's where AI doesn't just help you research, it actually helps you buy. It could negotiate prices for you, track deliveries, handle returns, all of it. We're not there yet, but this shopping update is the first real step. Here's what you need to do right now. Go open ChatGPT and try this yourself. Use one of the prompts I just showed you, or type in something you actually want to buy. See what comes up, test the product cards, ask follow-up questions, click through to the retailers, get a feel for how this works, because this is how people are going to shop in the future. If ChatGPT can transform shopping like this, imagine what it can do for your business. Inside my AI Profit Boardroom, I show you how to use tools like ChatGPT to automate your customer research, scale your business, and get more customers without adding more hours to your day. This is where business owners are saving hundreds of hours with AI. The link is in the description. Don't sleep on this, because the people who learn this now are going to dominate their markets. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.